Hello and welcome to day 71 of Bedtime Welsh, and this should be a slightly easier one for you after the brutal workout yesterday. So all we're going to do today is introduce a new word, and that word is to hear. And to hear in Welsh is clywed. Clywed. So give me to hear.
Clywed.
Clywed. So then how about I hear?
Dwi'n clywed.
Dwi'n clywed. How about do you hear?
Wyt ti'n clywed?
Wyt ti'n clywed. Then how about to have heard? So have heard. Can you remember the word you put in to turn something to have done something? So have heard is
Wedi dweud. Wedi clywed.
wedi clywed. So you see how easy it is just to lose track with this? If Beino can do it, it's no wonder you guys are as well. So have heard, wedi clywed. How about I have heard?
Dwi wedi clywed.
Dwi wedi clywed. Dwi wedi clywed. That's a very useful model. I have for anything. You can use that with anything. I have eaten. Dwi wedi bwyta. I have spoken. Dwi wedi siarad or dwi wedi deud. Okay, so how about last one for today? I have heard something else. I have heard something else.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth arall.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth arall. And that's it for today. So da iawn, well done, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Ta!
Hwyl am y tro.